Msizi lies about Kaise being the one responsible for the exam paper leak, saying that he had nothing to do with it. Jackson refused to give Zoletu the accounting books. Zoletu then took it upon himself to go to the office and dig up all the books. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Smoke and Mirrors. So umndeni kaDlamini they're there saying Kaise did the right thing by reporting those kids. Cheating is bad and they're proud of her for doing that. And then now Martha asked ukuthi manje kusoyenzakalani athi uDlamini went to the school. They said that department is an investigator. They're going to interview all the kids. Guy says now scared because this means I'm in trouble if I'm also being interviewed. Msizi and Lihle come over to threaten Kaise, saying that she's speaking from a point of privilege. Why did she do what she did? Manje, they're all in trouble. She should have just kept quiet. Kaise thinks what she did is good because cheating is bad. All they needed to do was study. But these kids, they think when I'm just speaking from a point of privilege because you have rich parents. And Umsizi then threatened Kaise, saying, you're going to regret what you did. Fanyana goes to see Kaise and tells her, I'm proud of you for what you did. It's because of you gave me the courage to speak up. And then they see that Umsizi is on a live. They join the live only to see Umsizi awashigama lakhe clearing his name, saying that Kaise is the one who is responsible for the exam paper leak. Nje had nothing to do with it. Kaise came with it and gave them in the study group. Kaise showed how Utin Umsizi because he's the one that came with the paper. And the worst part is that people are believing him. Now the family is worried. Fanyana thinks he wants to go and and ruffle him up, but the family stopped him, saying it will make things worse. And then Uzwele to ask for my accounting books as a depot. Jackson uyala because he knows that he's hiding some things. He's taking a lot of money for himself while my employees are not getting much. And then Uzwele realized he decides to take it upon himself to actually go to the office to look for the books himself. So Jackson works in on Zwele to busy digging up amabhuku, files and everything. And he's like, Unzani wena la, you're not even supposed to be here. I'm just looking for the accounting books because you refused. And do as you please. This is a government office, so you are not allowed to be here. But don't worry, I've gotten everything I needed. So ngiqedile now Zwele to be able to go through the books and see Jackson has been taking a lot of money for himself while he exploits our employees. Mamike and Pinky finally have a sit down and talk about Songanga or some danger. Pinky is worried because why did you lie to me all this time? Mamike is worried because why did Pinky lie to her about Wabake? But now they want to rekindle the relationship. What's happening? And then Pinky was honest with Mamike, saying some danger is a good lover, but he just has a lot of babies everywhere. And when he started his calling, I just decided, you know what, let me just leave men alone and just raise my kid because I couldn't take it anymore, considering that I'm from a Christian family and all that. But all in all, he's a good lover, and I think I still have feelings for him. So she wants to give this a chance. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.